Hello students, I am Dr. Minakshi Mahur, Assistant Professor, Zoology, Sri Samvlaji Government College, Manfia, Chittagong. Today my topic is bacterial conjugation. In previous lectures, I have already discussed vegetative reproduction in bacteria, asexual reproduction in bacteria, and now today I am going to start sexual reproduction in bacteria. And there are three methods of sexual reproduction. Actually, true sexual reproduction in bacteria is absent, but genetic recombination takes place in bacteria. And there are three types of genetic recombinations in bacteria. They are conjugation, transformation, and transduction. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss only bacterial conjugation. Now, what is conjugation? Conjugation is the technique of transfer of genetic material from one bacteria to another which are in contact. And this method was proposed by Liederberg and Tatum. They discovered that F factor can move between E. coli cells, and then they proposed the concept of conjugation. Bacteria which shows conjugations are dimorphic. That is, they have two types of cells, F minus and F plus. So male is a F plus and we can say it is donor cell. And the female is F minus and we will call it recipient cell. So there are two types of cell, that is F plus and F minus, or we can say male and female or donor and recipient. The process of conjugation can transfer DNA regions of 100 to thousands of kilobase, and it is the broadest host range for DNA transfer among the other methods for bacterial genetic material exchange. Conjugation occurs in and between many species of bacteria, which may include gram-negative as well as gram-positive, and even it occurs between bacteria and plants. Now, requirements for the conjugation. So, first is donor, second is recipient, third is fertility factor or sex factor, and there must be close contact between bacterial cells. So first is donor, that is F plus cell. E. coli, which possess the F plasmid, are referred to as a donor or F plus or male cells. Then recipient cells. Recipient cells, E. coli, which lack the F plasmid, are referred to as recipient or F minus or female cells. Fertility factor or sex factor. The F plasmid is an episome, that is a plasmid that can integrate into the bacterial chromosome by genetic recombination of about 100 kilobase length. 1 kb is 1000 base pair. Actually, it carries its own origin of replication, which are called ORIV. And there can only be one copy of the F plasmid in a bacterium. And the bacteria which possess F plasmid are known as F positive, either free or integrated. And among other genetic information, F plasmid carries a tRNA and tRB locus, and they together are about 33 kilobase long, and they consist of about 40 genes. The tRNA locus includes the pillin gene and regulatory gene. Now the fourth requirement is there must be close contact between bacteria cells. So for transfer of F plasmid from donor to recipient, intimate contact between cells is must, and it results in a mating pair formation. So these are the requirements. Now there are two methods of bacterial conjugation. First is actually gene exchange occur by two methods. That's why there are two methods of conjugation. So first is sterile male method, that is F plus into F minus, that is F minus becomes F plus. So second is fertile male method, that is HFR into F, that is F minus remains F minus. So first is sterile male method. The plasmid having a fertility factor replicates, and the copy of it get transferred to the recipient through the conjugation tube, and the recipient cell becomes donor. And this phenomena of reversibility of sex, that is F minus becomes F plus, and this phenomena is called sex duction. Now second is fertile male method. Here the F plasmid or the fertility factor of the donor gets integrated to bacterial chromosome or DNA, and the attachable plasmid is known as episome. The point where plasmid gets integrated to bacterial chromosome differ in different strain. The donor cells which have fertility factor integrated to chromosome is called HFR, that is high frequency of recombination, or metamale or supermale. Actually it is known as HFR because it has a recombination frequency of 1000 times more as compared to normal F plus cell. The DNA of HFR replicates, F plasmids gets some part of this DNA, and then HFR and F develop cytoplasmic bridge. F plasmid passes through it and transfer the gene of donor bacterium into the DNA of recipient bacteria, which undergoes replication. So these are the two methods. Now I will explain in detail. So now I am explaining by the with the help of the steps one by one. So first step is pilus formation. So donor cell, that is a F plus cell, produce sex pilus, which is a structure that projects out of the cell. So here in diagram you can see number 1 where you can see the pilus. So this structure begins contact with an F minus or recipient cell. The male or donor cell possesses 1 to 4 sex pili on the surface and fertility factor, that is transfer factor or sex factor in its plasmid. So plasmid is mobile. Fertility factor contains genes for producing sex pili and other characters which are needed for gene transfer. Sex pili are narrow protoplasmic outgrowth. Now second step, there you can see physical contact. In this diagram you can see there is second number to bacteria, and you can see there is a physical contact between donor cell and the recipient cell, and they are forming conjugation tube. A pilus of male cell establishes a protoplasmic bridge, or we can say conjugation tube with the female cell. Now third step, transfer of F plasmid. The prototype for conjugative plasmid is the F plasmid. We are also saying it as a F factor. So F plasmid or F factor opens at a replication origin, that is ORI site. One strand of F factor is cut down at origin and then fifth end of this strand enters into the recipient cell. The TRA locus includes the pillin gene, where I've already discussed. The TRA locus of the plasmid includes the pillin gene and the regulatory gene, and they form pili on the F plus cell surface. That is a protoplasmic protein that can attach themselves to the surface of F negative bacteria, and this initiates the conjugation. The TRAD enzyme, which is located at the base of pilus, initiates membrane fusion. So in diagram 3 you can see there is a membrane fusion. So when conjugation is initiated via mating signal, a complex of the protein called relaxosome. So here you can see the red one in the diagram, in this diagram number 3 step, where you can see there is a red one, relaxosome. It creates a nick in one plasmid DNA strand at the origin of transfer, that is a ORI T site. The transfer DNA or the nicked strand, which is called the T strand, unwind and is transferred to the recipient cell in the F dash to 3 dash direction, and the remaining strand gets replicated. So it is the third step. Now you can see in this diagram, the fourth step, there is the synthesis of complementary strand. So the donor and the recipient cell both contain single strand DNA of F plasmid. A complementary strand is then synthesized in both donor and recipient cell. Now the recipient cell also contains a copy of plasmid and it becomes a donor cell. So through this diagram you can see step 1, where you can see one bacteria is with mobile plasmid and another without plasmid. But now at the fourth step you can see both the bacteria possessing plasmid. So now donor cell becomes, the recipient cell becomes now donor cell. So this is a F plus into F minus. So F minus becomes F plus. So now in the fourth step you can see both the bacteria are new donor, and in the first step you can see only there is a one donor and the one recipient. The bacteria with mobile plasmid is donor and the bacteria without plasmid is recipient. Now at the fourth step you can see both the bacteria are donor. Now second method is fertility male method, that is HFR into F minus becomes F minus remains F minus, F negative, F negative remains F negative. So in certain F plus bacterial cell, the F element about once in every 10,000 F plus cells becomes associated with main bacterial chromosome, and they become in such a way that the copy of chromosome instead is transferred to the conjugation from donor to recipient cell. So in such an insertion process, the circular F elements break at a particular point and then become a linear segment of the bacterial chromosome. F plus cell which carries such an integrated F element is known as HFR cell. HFR means high frequency of recombination, and the integrated F element of HFR cell is replicated passively along with the bacterial chromosome, and in this way it is transferred from one HFR generation to the next. So here you can see from the diagram, so the first bacterium is here is the F plus cell. Now the second is HFR cell. Now in the third one, your third diagram, you can see there is a pilus formation, cells joins by conjugation tube, conjugation pilus or tube. Now the fourth step you can see conjugation ends with the pieces of F plasmid and the donor DNA in recipient cell, and the cell synthesis complementary DNA strand. And now the fifth step, you can see donor DNA and recipient DNA recombine and make a recombinant F- cell. So this is fertility male method. Now application. The major application is the transfer of genetic material through the transfer of DNA segment and which may code for antibiotic resistance, xenobiotic tolerance, and they have ability to use or synthesize of new metabolites. Now example, so Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it causes crown gall tumor in plants by transferring the tDNA element, which is the part of Ti plasmid, that is a tumor inducing plasmid, which is present in the bacterium. And it transfers DNA element into a plant cell where the T element becomes incorporated into the plant cell's genome. And the conjugative plasmids encoding antimicrobial resistance genes are called R plasmid. They are transferred to the Shigella species that might result in the widespread outbreak of antibiotic resistance Shigella mediated dysentery. So these are examples. So in today's lecture, I discussed there are three types of genetic recombination methods: conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Then I defined conjugation, requirements, donor, recipient, fragility factor or sex factor, close contact between the bacterial cell. Then there are two methods of conjugation: sterile male method and the fertility male method, that is HFR, recombination conjugation, high frequency recombination conjugation. Then applications of conjugation, then examples which are showing conjugation. Thank you.